Hello again, everybody. Welcome to your classroom for mental and manual experiment. Today with me is Kelfina. Kelfina, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Kelfina, do you like magic?
Of course.
I will show you one magic trick today, and it's a card trick. So let's take our card from the box. I'm not going to use all the deck. I'll use some few of them. So let me count off some few. So I will deal them into 3 parts, face up. Kelfina, you select one of the pile and pick a card from it and show it to the camera, okay? Whilst I turn my face away.
I'm done.
You are done. Okay, so you have pile 1, 2, 3. Which of the pile has your card?
3.
Pile 3. This is pile 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will do the same thing again. Repetition is not boring. Pile 1, 2, 3. Which of them has your card?
3.
Pile 3 again. Wow. And for the very last time, I hope you're not bored. Pile 1, 2, 3. Which one has your card?
2.
Pile 2 it is. Okay. I'll try to reveal your card, and I want you to concentrate on the card, the color, the number, or the suit. Try to imagine it. And once you do that, I will just shout the magic word, Alakazam. And once I count, when I get your card will give me some impression, and I will be sure that that is your card. Okay? No, I don't feel anything here. I feel something here. This one looks a bit heavier. Because your eyes has been following this card for some time, it looks a little bit heavier. Is that your card?
Yeah.
Your card is King of Diamond. King of Diamond. You love it?
Yeah.
I'm going to teach it to you right now, and you also perform it for me, okay? Okay. So this is an old trick called the 21 card trick. It is so old, yet very popular and devilish. All that you need is 21 card from the deck. You don't need the entire deck. So even if you misplace some of your card in the deck, you can still go ahead and perform this trick for your friends and family. All that you need to do is to take the card in your dominant hand face down. Then you deal it into 3 parts face up, okay? Because it is 21 card, it means you're going to have 7 cards in each of the parts. So you deal it what? Face down like this. Okay, so here you have 3 parts, all facing up. So you ask your spectator or audience to take one of the card and identify a card from it. So let's assume that you take pile 3. 1, 2, 3. So pile 3. So you can go through the pile and select one card. Let's take 5 of hearts, okay? You can put it anywhere. You can even go ahead and shuffle it. It doesn't matter really much, okay? So we know that 5 of hearts is here. So when I turn my face to the table, then I'll ask for the card, for the pile with your card in it. In this case, it's in pile what? 3. Okay, so the pile with your card will always go in between the 2 remaining piles. This goes in between, then you bury it with the first card. Then you scoop all into your dominant hand, face down. But when you deal it, you deal it toward face up. So first one is done, left with 2 more. So you deal it again, Then here, what card are we looking for? 5 of hearts, okay? So just be tracking your 5 of hearts as I deal them neatly into 3 parts. 5 of hearts is in pile 3. So keep it in your head. Pile 3, pile 3, pile 3. Then when I'm done, I'll ask you the pile with your card. In this case, is what? In pile 3. So you scoop pile 3, put it on what? Pile 1, pile 2. Then you bring the whole of, in order not to create the impression that you are deliberately planting the pile 3 in between pile 1 and 2. You scoop all. Then you bring this one on it, okay? It's in face up, so you turn it face down and deal it for the last time. 1, 2, 3. So this is what? 5 of hearts.
Yeah.
So our card is in what? Pile what?
2.
So we can take pile 3, put it on pile 2, and the whole of the 2 parts will go on pile 1. Then the trick is what? Done. All that remains is what? Showmanship. So whatever way you want to go through to reveal your card is your own what? Performance level. So I said that your card will feel what? Very heavy. Now the only thing you need to remember in this case is that your selected card is on the 11th position. So you can count up 10 cards in any casual way. But when you get to the 11th card, you can assume any performance to what? To reveal it. So you can say, I don't feel anything. You have to be counting in your head, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we know that this card is your one, okay? So you can feel that I can see some vibrations in my hand. Your card is vibrating because I've gotten to your selected card, 5 of hearts. Then you bring it and here you are, 5 of hearts. Then you take your applause and take your bow as a magician, okay? So I hope you understand everything now.
Yeah.
So you go ahead and perform this trick for me right now.
So my name is Kelfina, and I would like to ask if everyone loves card tricks.
I love card tricks,
So
of
I'm about
course.
to perform one.
I'm ready to
Miracle.
see this miracle. Miracle today.
So I'm going to put these 21 cards into 3 piles.
Okay,
And when I'm done, make sure you select one.
okay. I will. Okay, so what do I need to do now?
So you make sure you select one, but I'm going to turn my back. Then
From
show
any
it-
of the
yes.
pile, right?
Then show it to
Okay.
the audience.
Okay. I'm ready.
So I ask pile 1, 2, and 3. Which one contains your card?
Pile 1.
So I'm going to put them into piles again.
Okay. So I should look for my card, right?
Yeah. So you make sure you identify your card.
I'm very vigilant. This one is stand face down.
Sorry.
Okay.
So pile 1, 2, and 3
It's in pile 1.
again.
Yes.
So I'm going to do it for the last time.
Okay. Last time, last time, last time.
So
My card is in pile 3.
pile 3.
Yes.
So I'm about to identify your card.
I was surprised if you're able to identify it. Wow! That is my card, the Three of Clouds. It is. Thank you very much, Kelfine, for joining me today. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and see you again in the next class.